To a man who started Christmas shows long ago that started fucking rock and roll to a lot of people. To a lot of people. At least inspired a lot of bands. So, you may have heard this one before. Enjoy yourselves if you know it. Let down your fucking guard. Have some fucking fun from this point on. You got me!